Welcome everyone in my YouTube channel Educator Jeevan. And in today's video, I'll give idea about converting slide into image in PNG or in the JPG format. So, before jumping to the today's topic, guys, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel Educator Jeevan, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive the notification for the future videos. Now let's start the today's topic. Now yes, I'm already in one of the slide. Yes, you also open your slide, and yes, at the top you can see there is a file, right? Just click in the file. When you click in file, you'll get all these options. Just go down, you can see there is a download. When you touch in the download, you'll get at the bottom over here there's a JPG and PNG format. Now let's click in the JPG first. Now you can see at the bottom, now the file is downloading. You can see the slide is like one image is already at the down in the JPG format. Now let's open this one. Just wait, it's opening. You can see here now that slide is already converted into the image, right? And from here, yes, you can just go on editing or cropping. It's like you can use the lots of other tools to do more editing for this image. Now similarly, let's go and let's click in the file again, and let's download in the PNG format as well. So you can even go here again in the download, and again you can go and click in the PNG image. Then yes, you can see at the bottom, now this slide is downloading or converting into a JPG format, PNG image. Just wait for a few more seconds. Now you can see at the bottom, yes, over here this slide is converted into the PNG format. So guys, this is how you can easily convert your slide into the JPG or PNG image. So I hope this video is useful for you guys. If you love my video, then don't forget to share it. Yes, bye bye, I'll see you in next video.